Okay. All right. Ndewo. Abụ m Quinette Ogochukwu Ohaya. Today, agwara m unu ihe anyị na-aga ime tata. Today, ihe anyị na-aga ime quiz. So ajụjụ. So nọ na quizlet. So tata, quizlet. Ọwụ na a call go in. Or if you have called in, go ahead and then type in the code. Go to quizlet.com. Or you can type, you can join at www.quizlet.live to get there. And once you get to quizlet.live, go ahead and type the code 666444. Once you type the code, I will see you. Can everybody see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So you all type the code. Only 2 people logged in so far. I'm into the Quizlet. We have 10 of you here. I see only 2 players, only Blessing and the Pastor.
Oh, I'm coming in.
Yeah, I'm waiting. So we give you 2 more minutes to call to put in the code before we can start the quiz. Everybody type in the code. If you don't see it, let me know. I have 4 players so far. Type in your code. 30 more seconds, we start. If you are not able to join us on this one, get ready to join us in the next one because we are not gonna wait for anybody. Come on, guys. Come on. I see Ife. Okay. And Lota. Are we ready? Okay. 5 more seconds. Okay. I think we're gonna start. Let's see. Okay. Get ready. Start the game now. Come on, I see peacocks, I see sea dragons, foxes, orcas, koalas, ocean. Okay, let's see who's gonna get it. Who is bouncing back? Peacocks, what happened? Sea dragons. Okay, I see koalas running, 6. Let's see who's going to be the winner here. Koalas. Foxes, I don't know what's going on. You're not moving at all. Oxen, you bounced back. Orcas. I see koalas taking the lead here. 10. Don't bounce back. Come on, we need a winner here. Oh. Yes, yes, Ifen Lota. Yes, yes, yes. Ifen Lota is the winner of this round. Good, 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 good. Okay. I'm so proud of you. We're going to do it again. We're going to play this one again before we move on to another quiz. So let's give some people, let's go back and see if, and give others an opportunity to join. In fact, let's play it again. The game is starting again. Okay, let's see if we have more players to go in. If you know you didn't get opportunity to, Ryan, go to Kelechi to give you the code, please. Do the writing. Okay. If you didn't get opportunity to join at the first one, please go ahead. This is your opportunity now. See the code 666-444. We're doing the numbers again. Okay, we're moving on. Okay, go on. I see peacocks taking a lead now. Siberian tiger. Second. Puffins. Third. Peacocks, what happened? You went back. Peacocks went back. Siberian tigers are leading with a second puffins. Rhinos. Rhino, oh my God, rhinos and snakes went back. Siberian tigers is about to win. Puffins, peacocks. We're about to have a winner. Yes, Ezina is a winner. Ezina is winning this round. Okay. All right, so we're going to get another topic here. We're reviewing some of the things we did before. So let's get another one. Please try to make sure you join the next quiz that we're going to do. So let's select another one. We just did the numbers. So let me change the set. We're going back to another one. So probably we do the pronouns. Go back. I need to select this set. We're doing. Why is it still here? I need to go back. One second, I need to go back to the set again. Okay. All right, let's do the let's try this one. Let's see. Okay. I don't know how many of you have tried to go to Quizlet, Atlanta IGBO School Quizlet link to try all these. Okay, so let's. Okay, see the code now. Go ahead and enter the code. I'll give you a minute to enter your code. You have a minute to enter your code for the quiz. I have only one player so far. What's going on? Enter your code is on the screen there, 461617. Kelechi, here. Why didn't you type all of them? Okay, we already have 5 players so far. What happened? Everybody, please go ahead and join the quiz. Have to join in the quiz, please. I'll give you 30 more seconds to call to join the quiz. All right. Anybody having hard time joining the quiz? There's nothing very hard here. I don't see what should be taking you all this time to call in to join the quiz. If you're having hard time, let me know. The code is there on the screen. We have 461617. 5 players. What happened to the rest of you? I need everybody to join in this quiz. Everybody. I give you enough time to put in your code. Where is Osita? Where's Ezine is here? Even Lota is here. So what happened to the rest of you? Can you please join the quiz? Because I'm about to move on now. All right, maybe they join us in the next round. All right, let's go on. Okay, I'll go on. Bad Eagles, yeah, keep on going. Lions, Dolphins, Up, Cats, Tigers. Come on, let's go. I see the Bad Eagles, Bad Eagles. Good. Followed by Tigers, Lions. Wow. Let's see between Lions and between Bald Eagles and Tigers. Who is going to win this round? Bald Eagles is about to win. Even Lotte again. Even Lotte is winning again. Come on, some of you here, you need to please do something. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's see if someone is going to do it. Let me see. I have to zip this one to give others opportunity to join us. It's coming. Now I have to change it. Let's change it. Okay, the code. Enter your code. I have 2 players so far. Guys, enter your code. It shouldn't take time. Put in your code. You go to www.quizlet.live. Then you see the code on the screen that I'm sharing. 4 players so far. I need every one of you to join in this quiz. Six players. I need more of you. Come on, everybody. Type in your code. All right, 5 more seconds. All right, we're moving on. Start again. All right, go on. Yeah. Stingrays. Whoa, and orcas. Stingrays, orcas, and cheetahs. Let's see. Okay, I see cheetahs pulling away from the rest of you. Camels bounced back. Ah, cheetahs. Stingrays. Let's see who's gonna take it. Let's see who's going to get the trophy home. The cheetahs they are just running. Whoa. Come on, Stingrays, you're meeting up. Good. We're about to have a winner. Yes, Ezinne won this round. Wow. Ezinne, congratulations. Good, good, good. Okay, so we're moving on to another set. So get ready for another set. Let's see which one is this one. Body pass. We don't have to do that. Most of you should know body pass by now. Let's go back. You know body pass. Let's do the prepositions. Let me see what you know. If we need to review prepositions. What's going on here? Why is it taking forever? Okay. I did pronouns. Oh gosh. I don't know why it's not getting off here. I created the prepositions and I'm trying to look at it now. It's not coming up. What is it? I did prepositions. What is it? It's not here. Okay, let's try this one. I don't know where the preposition is hiding right now, but I know I have it. Let me see. Okay. Oh boy, what is this? Okay, guys, let's go back to it again. I don't know why it's not pulling up. I created it last night so that you all would do it today, but for some reason it's not letting here. I don't know what's going on. Wait a minute. Let's go back. I need to find out what's going on here. I don't know why it's not coming up. I have everything here, but it's not coming up. One second, guys. I'm coming. I have to go back to it again. Let me locate it because that's the one I wanted us to do. For some reason, it's not coming up. Okay. Okay, I see it. Okay. Oh, come on. All right, type in the code. The code is on the screen, 299. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, the code is there now. 299182. One player so far. You have a minute to put in your code. 4 players, 5. I'm waiting. 40 more seconds. Ten seconds. Come on, put in the code. It shouldn't take time. Put in your code, please. Just type the numbers. Go to quizlet.live. Then put in your code. Okay, I guess we gotta go now. All right, we're starting the game. Okay. All right, get ready, set, go. Wow, kangaroos, tigers, sharks. Where is this running? Snakes. Snake is taking lead. Uh-oh. Sharks, kangaroos, okay, bison? T-Rex bounced back. Peacocks. Wow, snakes. Okay, bison, keep going. Keep going, bison, moving. Yeah, I see bison about to win. You miss it, you're going to bounce back. So do not miss. Okay, sharks is coming. See bison and shark. You guys are, let's see who, oh my God. Bison. Sharks, keep going. We're about to have a winner here. Come on, we're about to have a winner. Get it. You're not moving. Yay! Penlota is the winner. Penlota is the winner. Come on, guys, we do this one again. One more time on this set. Someone else, please. You gotta take a lead. Let me see if somebody is about to join us. Let's see. Okay, go. Go. Don't let Ifelota take a lead, be the winner again. Somebody, come on. Someone needs to do something here. Bison, moving. Only bison. The rest of you are not moving. T-Rex, tigers, peacocks, sharks, kangaroo. What's going on? You have to move. Snakes. I see bison, snakes. Come on, guys. Just do your best, okay? You keep bouncing, but once you miss it, it's going to bounce your back. That's the trick. Bison is taking it. Oh my God. You went all the way from 8 down to 0. What's going on? Come on, guys. Yeah, tiger is not moving. Sharks are moving. Kangaroo or T-Rex. Sharks. Ah. Okay. Sharks. Peacocks. Bison. T-Rex. Oh boy. Kangaroo went back. Bison and shark. Yes, we're about to have a winner. Keep going, guys. Bison and Sharks tied. Okay, Sharks is taking the lead. Oh, they tied again. Let's see if we're going to have a winner here. Even Lata won it again. Whoa, she deserves a trophy. She does. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay. We do one more, and then we have a question time. So we're going to, today is all quiz, okay? We're doing all quizzes today. So let's see, let's pick another topic. We haven't done, let's pick another topic here. Did we do numbers? Yes, we did numbers. We did, let's do body parts. Let's do body parts and see. Okay, here is your code. 266615. Put in your code. You have a minute to do put in the code, please. I'm waiting. What's going on, guys? Put in the code. You're wasting all the time. We don't have enough time so that we have at least 15 minutes for the for questions. Ten more seconds. Ten more seconds. All right, we're about to move on. Ready, go. Bald eagles, stingrays. Where is this not moving here? Stingrays. Okay, good. I see koalas moving, about to win. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Okay, bears are coming. Snakes. I don't like snakes. But it's about to win. Okay, kangaroo, move on. Come on, come on, come on. You're still okay, good. Bears are really racing. Bears are racing. Come on. Our bears are about to win. Come on, bears. You got stuck. Come on, come on, come on. Keep going. This is body parts we're doing. Yes, guys, why do you already feel like that to be the one winning all the time? What's going on? All right, one more chance. Let's give another person. No, Ifenlota, keep doing what you're doing. I'm not saying that you shouldn't win, but I need somebody to show me that at least they can do something here. All right, we're going to do it again. All right. Go. Kangaroos, koalas. Some of you are not moving at all. Bald eagles, stingrays, bears, snakes. Why are you not moving? Bears, they have to move. Kangaroo is leading now. Koalas, bears. Oh my gosh. What happened, kangaroos? You bounced all the way back to 0. Koalas, come on. You're just staying there, not moving. Okay, isn't it? All right, wonderful. Okay, good job, guys. You know you can go to this Atlanta Able School Quizlet site to learn, quiz yourself, practice on your own. Don't wait until we have quiz, please. Okay, so let's go to the main screen. This is time for question. I would like to know what you think about the quiz. So I need you to tell me what you think. Do you like it? Is it fun or is there any other options? So tell me, I need to hear from you guys now. What do you think about the Quizlet? Is it helping you? Or is there any other thing that you think we might put in place to help you guys learn? So talk to me, guys. I need to hear from you. Hello? I need to hear from everybody. Any question? Anybody with any question?
Well, none right now, no.
So any suggestion? How do you guys see the Quizlet? The game that we did with the Quizlet. So I need you to tell me your experience, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Then we can make changes. Or any suggestion at all.
It was fine the way it was.
It's fine. Who is talking? Remember how we introduce ourselves.
A humble Collins.
Okay, Collins. Okay, you like it the way it is. Who else? Any suggestion? Any question at all? Anybody with question or suggestion? Nobody is talking, so you don't have any question, no suggestion. If you don't ask question, because we still have 10 more minutes, I'm going to ask you a question. You have to ask me a question. Nobody with any question? Okay, Blessing. Kedu ihe ị na-eme n'ụbọchị taa? Unmute yourself, Blessing. Kedu ihe ị na-eme n'ụbọchị taa? Is Blessing there? Blessing, I see your name. Okay, good.
Yes.
Kedu ihe ị na-eme n'ụbọchị taa? Go ahead, just try. I need you to try. I need you to, try to communicate with me. Kedu ihe ị na-eme n'ụbọchị taa? First of all, what did I say? Can you tell me what I said in English?
No.
Huh?
No.
Who can tell me what I asked Blessing? Kedu ihe ị na-eme n'ụbọchị taa? Ife nlota, gịnị ka m jụrụ Blessing? Tell me in English.
What are you doing today?
Okay, what are you doing today, Blessing? So Blessing, can you try and tell me what you're going to do or what you're doing today? Can you try?
Yeah. Give me a second.
Okay. So while you're thinking your answer, Ezinne, kedu ebe ị gara ụnyaahụ? Ezinne, mute yourself and answer the question. Kedu ebe ị gara ụnyaahụ? Tell me what I said in English.
You said, where did I go yesterday?
Good. Okay, so ngwazam n'Igbo. If you went somewhere, tell me. If you didn't go anywhere, tell me. I want you to answer that question in Igbo.
I gotta get,
You know your clothes don't wash them?
how do you say nowhere?
Agagem. Agagem. Don't forget to put that pronoun. The position.
Agagem.
Agagem ebe ọbụla.
Agagem
Ebe ọbụla. Or you can also say, onwege ebe m gara ụnyaahụ. I didn't go anywhere yesterday. Onwegi means I didn't. So onwegi, nowhere. Onwegi ebe m gara ụnyaahụ. Ụnyaahụ means yesterday. Or you can also say agagem ebe ọbụla. I didn't go anywhere. Ebe ọbụla means anywhere. You see that? Ife nlọta kedu ebe Chiko, kedu ihe Chiko na-eme ugbu a? Blessing, I'm still coming back to you. Ife nlọta, gịnị ka Chiko na-eme ugbu a? Or I can also say this way, kedu ihe Chiko na-eme ugbu a? Tell us what I said in English first.
What is Chico doing today?
Ubua means now. Kita,
Now.
you can say ubua or kita. They mean the sentence. Yeah, what is Chico doing now? It means now. Kita or ubua means now. What is Chico doing now? So go ahead and answer me in Igbo. Just say answer anything, whether she's doing something or not. You can just make up something. But I want it to be in Igbo.
Ojere Oluha.
Ojere Oru ha. Okay, you know, you put the pronoun there, ha. What do you mean, ha? Why do you have to put ha? And you know ha is referring to there. You're trying to tell me that she went to work, isn't it?
Yes.
Ogara Oru. Simple. And then if she went with people, or maybe with mommy, daddy, or anybody, also wega oru, ya na ha gara oru. You can say o gara oru with ya na nne gara oru, or ya na nna gara oru, ya na nwannem nwanyi gara oru. She went to work with our sister. She went to work with mommy, or she went to work with dad. But if she just went to work. Ọ gara ọrụ. You see that? Good job, though. Okay, Ezinne, back to you.
Okay. I got essay Neri.
What was the question again?
What are you going to do today?
Okay, what are you going to do today? Okay, answer me.
I got again essay Neri.
Are you trying to tell me you will do something or you will not do something? Tell me what you are trying to say in Igbo. Say it in English.
I'm going to cook.
Okay, say, I am going to cook. But what you said in Igbo, you said, I will not. When you say agagem, anytime you are putting GHI, that G-A, anytime you're putting it, it's supposed to be a negative way, which means something that you're not going to do. But when you're trying to say you will do, agam, but when you say agagem, means you will not do. You see that? So I need you to remember that, isn't it? Anytime you're saying agagem means that you will not. But when you say agam, means you will, okay? So tell me, say it right. I want you to say it right. Now you know the difference.
So you said agagem.
Agagem means that you will not, but agam means you will. So now apply it right in the correct way.
Agam essay Nri.
Agam esi is esi. Agam esi nri ta, or agam esi nri tata. Well, go ahead and say it right.
Agam esi Nri ta.
Good. That is good. That is good. Okay. I see Michael. Michael, kedu onye na-akụ aka na ụzọ? Michael, tell me what I said first. Michael, unmute yourself. Tell me what I said. Isn't that Osita?
Yes.
Okay. Kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ? What did I say?
Believe you said.
Who will tell us what I said in English? Kelechi, gịnị ka m kwuru na English? Kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ? Kelechi, unmute yourself. Gịnị ka m kwuru na English?
DJ,
Kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ?
you said who's knocking on the door?
Okay. So Michael, tell me, if somebody is knocking on the door, tell me. If nobody is knocking, let me know. Say it in Igbo.
Okay.
Just try, okay? That's how you learn.
Somebody is. Is it?
Go on, just try, just try. Try your best, just say something. If you don't get it, I correct you.
Somebody is on your, isn't it on your?
Okay, are you trying to tell me somebody's knocking or somebody's not?
Somebody is not knocking.
Okay. O nwere onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ. Then if you tell me somebody is knocking, then it's okay. Let me go see. I ask you who is knocking on the door. You say yes, somebody is knocking. But let me go see. O nwere onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ. Ka m gaa lee. Kangale means let me go see. Let me go see who that person is, okay? O nwere onye. Onye means person. O nwere, there is, okay? O nwere onye, there is someone knocking on the door. Na-akụ aka n'ụzọ. Let me go see. Kam ga lee. Kam, it means kam ga lee. Let me go see. O nwere onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ. There is someone is knocking on the door. Let me go see. Let me go check. Kangale, you see? So that's how you say it, okay?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right. All right. So since anybody with any question, if not, we close. That's the end of the class. Okay, ngwanụ, so anyị emechala n'ụbọchị taa. Aga m eme ihe ụfọdụ m ga-etinye na Quizlet ka unu gaa ebe ahụ zaa ajụjụ, and aga m etinyere unu ihe na WhatsApp. So what I said is this: I'm going to prepare something and send to you guys. I will do more Quizlet questions that you will go there and then quiz yourself on your own time. And then maybe in the next 2 weeks, we are going to have another quiz. And I will also prepare something. I'm going to send paragraphs for you to read. I didn't do it last week because some of you in college and some high school students taking some summer classes, so they had the exams. I didn't want to, disturb you guys. I wanted you to have enough time to read and then be able to do well. And I hope everything went well. Okay, so I'll see you guys next week. Ndewo no, komesia no.